Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a seasonal pyjama and beauty box, and it is Jarmabox. This is the gorgeous box it comes in. I haven't opened it up yet. It's sealed. If you're new to Jarmabox and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I've got inside, and I will be trying out the pyjamas at the end of this video, then you'll see a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box was kindly sent to me as a PR sample, so I'm able to share with you. You'll find links down below in my description. Plus, they have given me a discount code. It's a non-affiliate, so I don't receive anything for it, but you're welcome to use it. You'll find that down below as well, and all my other discount codes and offers from other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. Jarmabox is an international subscription and it ships every 3 months. This is the summer Jarmabox. Inside you'll find a pair of luxury pyjamas and 8 beauty products. Plus, when you subscribe, you'll get the chance to review all the products in the box and you can accumulate credits or points which you can then spend in store. The cost of the box is £60 and it's the pyjamas and the beauty products, but if you just want the pyjamas on their own, then that will cost you £30. In the UK, shipping is free, but if you're out of the UK, shipping is calculated at checkout. With each new season, you'll be billed on the 1st. So for instance, if you were to subscribe now, you'll receive the summer box and then you'll be billed on the 1st of the next season's box. So for instance, for the autumn box, you'll be billed on the 1st of September. You can cancel anytime by logging onto your account. The sizing of the pyjamas are from a UK size 6 to a size 22. You can get in touch with them to find out more about the sizing, but they do say that if you prefer your pyjamas to be on the looser side, then go up a size. They do offer a 14-day exchange policy, which is amazing. So if the pyjamas don't fit you, then you've got 14 days to change them. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If you want to learn a little bit more, then you'll find more information in the website link listed down below. So let's get on to then open this up and see what's inside. I have seen a sneak peek of the pyjamas online and they are beautiful. I can't wait to see them. Okay, finally managed to open it. QR code there, which you can find out more information about the products, and also it gives you another QR code so you can find out how you can review and earn. Always jam-packed, always amazing value. Usually the boxes have value of around £200, but yeah, really heavy. The pyjamas are underneath everything, so we'll go through the beauty things first and then we'll get to the pyjamas. First up, we got Pixie by Petra. This is Rose Remedy Mask, Nourishing Toning Jelly, and there's 300 mils here. Oh, this is new for me. I love the little tub. There's a spoon attached to it as well, which I'll show you. How do I get it out? Oh, it's just slide it. Oh, little spoon. It's just so cute. Yeah, look. Ooh. I don't like the smell of rose. It's not bad. It smells almost fresh. It's not a really strong, overpowering, rosy scent. But what does it do then? Rose gel mask melts into skin to instantly hydrate, nourish and tone. Drench skin in this blend of roses, argan oil, cica and turmeric for the ultimate in refreshing and nourishing hydration. Packed with nutrients and botanics, this revitalizing remedy indulges all that skin craves. Do you know, I would love to just slap that on my face now. I'm really hot. I'm really suffering with the humidity. Oh, I just feel so hot all the time. I think it's as well, it doesn't help that I've got a ring light, and yeah, that makes me even hotter. But just the fact of like smothering my face in this cold jelly stuff, it's just really appealing right now. If you've tried it, I'd love to hear what you think. So there's that. Then we've got some gummies. These are Nutri Gums, a delicious nighttime gummies complex food supplement containing chamomile, lemon balm, lavender, griffonia and L-theanine. 2 months supply, natural passion fruit flower. I'll give a little read now. See what they like. Just scan the QR code so I can get more information for you. It tells you the prices of the items as well. The Pixie mask is full size and retails for £20. So these gummies then, they retail for £12.99. This season's extra is a 2-month supply of these delicious nighttime gummies that help to support bedtime and induce relaxation. So help to get you off to sleep. It's got some supplements. Next we've got a body scrub by Frank Body, a scrub from Down Under all over, a beauty scrub, brightening exfoliator with native Australian ingredients, and there's 200 grams here, so a big pouch. I've used this numerous times, particularly before a fake tan. So that my body's all buffed up, ready. Get rid of all those dead skin cells before I put a fake tan on a day or two later. Full size, and it retails for £15. This hard-working scrub effectively targets breakouts, scars, hyperpigmentation, cellulite and stretch marks, leaving your skin radiant and glowing with minimum effort. It's really messy, so make sure you do it in the shower if you ever do one of these scrubs from Frank Body, but it's really nice. Next, I got Starskin Organic. No, Orglamic. This is a celery juice serum in oil emulsion, 50% celery. Okay, I love the packaging. Look at that. So it's a celery serum, face serum, I'm guessing. Oh, I had a sticker. Yeah, it was really hard to get off. Oh my god, is there another one? No, there isn't. Oh, okay. Beautiful packaging. So before I open it, let's see what it says. This is full size and retails for £45. Infused with 50% pure celery juice and extract, this rejuvenating solution nourishes and moisturizes while promoting your skin's natural repair process. Wow, okay, there's a little information booklet in there. Rich in vitamin A, C and K and packed with amino acids and minerals to help fight free radicals and naturally purify for a healthy, clear complexion. Apply it morning and evening. Ooh, it's even green. I don't know what I was expecting. And it's more like a cream. I was expecting it to be like a clear gel serum, you know. Oh, my skin feels so soft though. Wow, it feels a little bit like a mask, like an overnight mask. Yeah, that is lovely. That might be a really nice serum for the night time actually. It just feels a little bit thicker and more nourishing, so it would make a nice overnight serum. You can use it daytime, but I know that's lovely. So there's that. Next, something for your hair. Sasha Joanne, Hair in the Sun, Hair Protecting Cream. There's 100 mils there. Oh, I like the idea of this. A lightweight styling cream that helps protect hair and hair colour from damaging effects of UV exposure. Apply to clean, damp hair, style as desired. Full size and it's worth £31. Protect the hair from the sun and UV filters with this multitasking leave-in lightweight serum designed to prolong colour and offers a slight styling hold. It makes the perfect travel companion. Yeah, that sounds really great. I'm thinking if I'm going in the sea or if I'm going into a swimming pool or something like that, I usually wear like scarves on my head. If you are already subscribed to my other channel, I've got another channel. It's all to do with travel and local days out and things like that. And in the summertime and in all my abroad videos, I'll always wear a hat. Generally, day to day, I always wear a hat because my scalp is quite thin and I don't want to burn. I love going in the sea and I usually wear like a scarf over my head. Something like this in my hair. It's going to protect my hair and my scalp as well. So no, I really like that. Really handy thing to have. Next, we have got here is this candle. Parks London Aromatherapy Lily of the Valley. We had a candle before. Was it in last season's box or the one before that? I can't remember. I think so anyway. I love a candle. Oh, look. Yeah. Lily of the Valley. Oh, that smells so nice. That smells really, really nice. Oh, it's almost got like a lime sort of smell to it, like a citrus smell to it as well. Receive 1 of 8 scents, so you might not receive this one if you go for this box, but 1 of 8 at random from the Park Signature Aromatherapy Collection. Scents include vanilla, rose, fresh linen, prosecco, fresh orange, blossom and more. Yeah, I really like this one. Lily of the Valley is gorgeous and it retails for £14.50. I love a candle. Who's that? Next, Nip and Fab. This is Hyaluronic Fix Extreme 4 Concentrate, 2%, and there's 30 mils here. Hydrate your skin with our 2% Hyaluronic Fix Extreme Concentrate drops with a concentrated blend of 4 skin smoothing ingredients designed to leave skin looking visibly plump and dewy and fragrance free. It contains tremella, polyglutamic acid, low molecular weight hyaluronic acid and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. I love the bottle, that's so cool. I've currently got a few hyaluronic acids on the go. I've got a Medicate one, which I love, and I've got a Vichy one as well. So I'll pop that back inside. This is full size and it retails for £24.95. This quick absorbing all-in-one skincare solution works to achieve moisturised, radiant and younger looking skin. And there's more. We've got an Evlon cleanser and there's 50 mils here. Removes waterproof makeup, hydrates skin for up to 12 hours after use, non-comedogenic. I can never say that word. And you've got a muslin cloth there as well. Now this does have a bit of a whiff. It's a really gorgeous cleanser, but it smells of cloves, which is not to everyone's taste. Yeah, it is a bit whiffy, unfortunately, but it's a cleanser, so it's not like a perfume that lingers. You put it on, wash it off, and I've tried this numerous times and it is a really good cleanser. This 50ml size retails for £48. This cleanser works to remove makeup, gently exfoliate and hydrate the skin, leaving it soft, supple and rejuvenated. And then lastly, we have got a Rodial product. This is Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer, and it contains niacinamide, white stargrass and squalene, and there's 31 mils here. I have got this in my collection of primers, so I might gift this on. It just gives a really nice dewy finish. I'll show you. I'll pass this on to a friend. They don't mind me swatching. You can add it onto bare skin. You can mix it into foundation. It just gives a really nice sort of dewy finish to the skin. It's really, really lovely. It's not super highlighting. If, like me, you're concerned about like illuminating primers that are going to accentuate all your fine lines and imperfections and pores and things like that, then no, this one's quite subtle. It is a really nice primer. Illuminate the look of skin and achieve a lit from within glow with a Soft Focus Glow Drops formulated with skincare ingredients to brighten the complexion with a subtle pearlescence to instantly boost luminosity. This is full size and retails for £50. The skincare makeup hybrid serum brightens and boosts luminosity while providing a smooth base for makeup. Yeah, so there's that. Then the pajamas, which are here. Look at the design, so pretty. I'll just read to you what it says about them. A classic button-up, short-sleeved, pocketed shirt and shorts with matching scrunchie. Oh wow, okay. We don't normally get a scrunchie. This colourful set is perfect for lounging in all summer. To buy it individually, it costs you £35. Now I've got it in extra large. I'm a UK size 16 to 18, but I'm more like a 16. But I do prefer my pyjamas to be on the looser side. And these are beautiful. Look at the scrunchie. Look at the scrunchie. That's so cute. And look, it is so nice. So nice. It just feels so nice and soft. The material is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. And then that's the top then. So I'm gonna pop it on, show you what it looks like, and then I'll be back. This is the set, really pretty, nice and comfy. Love a little pocket detail there. Yeah, long, comes down there. Nice and loose, nice and airy. See if I can do this with one hand. I tend to tuck. I tend to tuck them in like a French tuck on. I don't know if I can do it properly. No. There you go. But then, just wanted to show you the drawstring shorts. I like that they're rounded. They come up at the sides. It's really cool. They're just really comfy. Really nice and comfy. And nice and loose. Yeah, proper loungewear. The only thing that's missing is little pockets. I think little pockets here would be really nice. But here you go. Pretty. So those are all the products inside the Jarmabox Summer Edition. The cost of the box is £60 if you want the products and the pyjamas, or if you want the pyjamas on their own, it'll cost you £30, and it ships internationally as well. I'm not sure of the value, but going by previous boxes and looking at all the products in the box, which are all full sizes, you're looking over £200 worth of value for the products here. The pyjamas are beautiful. They're so pretty. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Is this the first time you're hearing about it? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.